Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Midnight Customs. Real quick, I wanted to go over the tombstone, or otherwise tool pedestal, multi-tool pedestal. So this is it. It's nicknamed the tombstone because this looks like an old school tombstone. What we did was we took an old brake drum off a semi-trailer and we cut out a 1/4-inch plate to mount that to the drum. All of this is 1/4-inch thick square tubing, probably overkill, but we wanted it stout. And then I just used a little bit smaller diameter square tubing for that. So these can actually lift out. Can't do it one-handed, it's got some weight to it. Anywho's and way. Harbor Freight 3-inch vise, old school Harbor Freight drill press. This thing's minimum 20 years old. Old Chicago electric. So works good, needs a new chuck. And then we got the portable bandsaw. I traded a bumper for this early on in my YouTube career. And all of these you can lift and rotate, or you can take them completely out. You could put the bandsaw here, the drill press there, the vise there, the drill press there, bandsaw there, what have you. Super easy to build. It's just a little time consuming and works great. If this is something you're interested in, please check out the video for this.